Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how I'm going to make Kway Teow noodle, which is known in Malaysia. We also call it pad thai or drunken noodles here in the US. So this is a very my kind of recipe that I'm going to share with you. These are the ingredients right here. Eggs, kind of 2 eggs right here, and then some onions. I'm not going to use it all. I just kind of like sliced and kept it ahead. This is bean sprouts. This are washed and cleaned already. And then this mustard leaves known as sawi in Malaysia. And then I have some shrimp here which I've already cleaned the head part of it. I just left the tail for the taste. I marinated the shrimp with some turmeric and salt just to take out the kind of like, the smell that it leaves. And then there's a chive leaves which is known for Kuchai, and then some fish cake, and then this is chili paste which I've already grinded in with some garlic and ginger. And then we need some salt right here, and then some dark soya sauce, and then pepper if needed, some seasoning sauce from Maggi, and also cooking oil. I'm using vegetable oils. And lastly, you will need some noodles. I'm using the Oriental style noodles. We can't get the Kway Teow, the exact version of it here in the US, so I'm using this one as an alternate. I'm actually boiling some hot water so that I can place in the noodle and then to soften up the noodle. So this is my pan. I'm going to start making the noodles right now. Just adding in some oil. So while I'm waiting for the wok to heat up, I'm just going to show you the outer side of my home and the weather outside, how it looks like. So it's pretty sunny today, and this is how the area of my house and my home looks like. So I'm going to add some onions right now. So I've added in some onions. Just going to garnish it till it's a little golden. Once the onion is a little golden, you just have to add in some chili paste. Looks like this. I'm just going to add 1 spoon because the person that I'm making for this noodles today doesn't really eat that spicy, so I'm just going to make it like 1 spoon. If you need more spiciness, you can add more. I'm just going to garnish it. I'm going to add in the shrimp. Add 1 small spoon of salt, and then I'll add as it needs. Right now just 1 to 2 spoons. So I'm going to allow the prawns to cook a little bit before I add in all the other ingredients. You see the shrimp is a little bit more cooked. Right now I'm going to add the fish cakes into it. I'm going to stir it and allow the fish cake to cook. So I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning, just a little bit. Add in the bean sprouts right now, and then also the mustard leaves. So you need to stir the vegetables so that they cook a little bit. Cover it a little bit while I allow the vegetables to cook for a bit. On the other hand, I'm actually boiling some hot water right here, and I'm going to put in the noodles in a bit. I don't want the noodles to be overcooked. Add tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna stir the vegetables again. So you can see the vegetables are almost cooked. I don't really like my vegetables to be too soggy. I like them to have a little bit of crunch. Add the eggs. This helps to not get your noodles too soggy as well. I'm not sure if I'm using the right word. So here I'm boiling the noodle. So I don't want it to be too soft. So you just need to make sure that it's at the right kind of consistency. So this is after I've already diluted it from the water. So I'm going to add in the noodles right now. You'll need to stir it well before you add the dark soya sauce. So I'm going to add in the dark soya sauce. Add a little bit of chives, which is Kuchai leaves. So here's how the noodle looks like. It's pretty much done and it's ready to be served. I do hope that you enjoyed my recipe for today. To my very next one. Goodbye.